tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix is unavailable due to your account settings on Roblox. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. Okay, so now just go ahead and log in your account. So once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Now click on settings. So just wait. So once you've clicked on settings, you want to click on privacy. And you need to make sure that the account restrictions is disabled. Okay? So now, once your account restrictions is disabled, you want to scroll down and here at the other settings, who can make me a member of their private server, who can join me in any experiences, you can see my inventory. You need to make sure that all of the settings is not on no one. Okay, you can choose any of these four except for no one. Okay, so once you change that settings, what I want you to do is to click on parental controls. Then here you need to make sure that the allowed experiences is at the 13 plus. Okay, so you can experience all of the experiences here on Roblox. Okay, and that should help you to fix your issue with this kind of problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.